To factory reset POCO C75 by using system settings, first of all you will have to go to the settings. Now you will have to go for about phone and just scroll all the way down. Then go to the factory reset, and as you can see right now you are going to erase the following items, everything, even including data from your SD card and the SIM card. So be sure that before you start factory reset, just remove your cards from the phone. And now click to erase all data. You can also backup data right now, but if you want to quickly perform the factory reset, click here. And now, after this attention and 10 seconds on the next button, you will have to just click on it. There we go. And now after another 10 seconds, just click on this button one more time and the factory reset process will start. So you will have to wait a few minutes, depends of how many data you just have on your phone. And after the reset will be complete, your phone will be turned on with the first setup screen.